Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. With fall in full swing, many of us are carving pumpkins, making pies, and enjoying everything this beautiful season has to offer. But when you're scooping out all those pumpkin guts, have you ever stopped and thought, hey, I could grow my own pumpkins with these seeds? Well, you absolutely can. Today, I'm going to show you the super simple steps to properly save your pumpkin seeds, so you can have a fantastic pumpkin patch of your own next spring. It's easier than you think, and it's a wonderful way to get a head start on next year's garden. First things first, let's get those seeds cleaned up. After you scoop them out of the pumpkin, you'll notice they're covered in all that stringy, pulpy stuff. You need to get rid of that. The easiest way is to put the seeds in a colander and rinse them under cool running water. Use your fingers to gently rub the pulp off the seeds. It can be a bit sticky, but it's important to get them as clean as possible. Any leftover pulp can lead to mold while they're in storage, and we definitely don't want that. Once they're clean, give them a final rinse. Now that our seeds are squeaky clean, it's time to dry them. This is the most crucial step for long-term storage. Spread the seeds in a single layer on a baking sheet, a plate, or some parchment paper. Make sure they aren't clumped together, as they need good air circulation to dry evenly. Don't be tempted to use an oven or a dehydrator to speed things up. High heat can damage the seeds and prevent them from sprouting. Just leave them in a cool, dry place with good airflow for at least a week, or until they feel completely dry and brittle. You'll know they're ready when you can easily snap one in half. Once your seeds are perfectly dry, it's time to store them for their long winter nap. The key here is to keep them cool, dark, and dry. A paper envelope works perfectly for this. Just pop your dried seeds inside. Label it with the pumpkin variety and the date you saved them, trust me. You'll thank yourself later and seal it up. Then store the envelope in a cool, dark place like a drawer, a closet, or a container in your fridge. Just avoid any place with moisture or big temperature swings, and that's it. When spring rolls around, your seeds will be ready to plant. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to save your seeds and grow your own amazing pumpkins next year. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.